We are unboxing my first ever jewelry advent calendar. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a jewelry advent. I am so excited, you guys. I have not done an entire jewelry advent calendar before. This is the first time ever of doing this. And this one, I will be honest with you guys, I bought this as an advent for myself. I didn't know if originally I was going to share this on the channel. I just knew that I wanted it. It was a treat to myself, and it was just like, you know what, this is my advent this year. And I did a poll here on YouTube and just asked you guys, would you like to see it? And the majority of you said yes. So I was like, okay, I'm going to share this treat with you guys. So this is my jewelry advent calendar from Kendra Scott. Now, if you're not familiar with Kendra Scott Jewelry, this is a jewelry company that you can find online. She also is selling her jewelry now in Target stores as well. I will tell you, the quality with Kendra Scott is significantly better than Target jewelry. It's not even comparable, but they are really great pieces that last a very long time. To me, they're not going to be as expensive as like high jewelers, but you're also not getting like, you know, your Target prices where it's $5, $6 for a pair of earrings. So you are investing in quality, but the idea is that these are not going to tarnish. They're waterproof. They're going to last a really long time as well, but they're also going to look fabulous too. And you guys know I love jewelry on this channel. I'm always changing up my jewelry. So this one I'm just so excited for. So the actual advent itself is really small. And I gotta tell you guys, when I opened up the box and saw this in there, I was like, whoa, like I don't know what I was expecting. Because then the more I thought about it, I'm like, well, jewelry isn't that big. I think I'm just so like morphed by all of the other advents that we've done that are just so big that seeing this, I was like, this is really small. So it's probably not a bad thing. I have like a box image in my head now. So you've got the Kendra Scott logo here on the front, and you can see her name here on the side. This calendar retails for $325, and you will receive 12 jewelry items inside of it. They do have the option that you could receive this in silver or you could get it in gold. I went with the gold version. And if you would like to purchase this advent, I do have a link listed down below. It's still in stock as of the timing of this video, so you can still get it. And they have both colors available, so you can get the silver or you could go with the gold option too. So when you open up this advent, inside you're gonna see your 12 days. Each of these drawers are going to be numbered, and I love that they do go in a row. Additionally, they're solid cardboard, so it is made really well. It's really sturdy. I do think you could reuse this year after year. I mean, shoot, you could even stock up on Kendra Scott jewelry throughout the year and get some really good deals and build the advent itself. I mean, it'd take a little bit of work, but you could do it. So we're going to start with day number 1 per usual, and inside of this drawer, you're going to find your jewelry is wrapped in a Kendra Scott bag. These bags are all going to be your jewelry protective bags. So like I said, her jewelry is a little bit more expensive. I still feel like it falls in that mid-range category in terms of price because you are getting really great quality pieces, but we're not buying like diamonds here or rubies or anything like that either. This is not going to be really expensive jewelry. So inside we have our first jewelry item. This is a necklace. We have a gold necklace here with our pendant at the bottom. This is a classic piece here that we have today. I'm trying to get this to level out, that way you guys can see it. This is very typical though for Kendra Scott jewelry, that you'll see a lot of different pendants with this oblong shape, but she also will use the prongs as part of like the beauty of it. So sometimes with jewelry, they'll hide these prongs that are holding it in place, and she almost embraces it with all of her jewelry looks. So they're really cute. So this is going to be your chain link necklace here. You also will have the bar that shows that it is a Kendra Scott piece. And then she also has a 2-inch extender on here as well. I love that it's all stamped because you do know it's authentic then. But if you had any doubt, if the stamp was not enough, on the reverse side, you're going to also see that Kendra Scott logo. So you're going to really see that design there in the center. And again, that's very on par with this brand. So this is great because you can stack these necklaces, which is very popular where you can wear several at one time. This is a great neutral one that would work with a lot of different pieces. Oh, there is actually a name on here. So this is the Eliza necklace, and it's the gold ivory mop. I'm guessing that's not what that actually is. But if you wanted to find this exact piece of jewelry online, this is what it's labeled as. So if you didn't want to buy the advent, but you love the necklace, here's your name for you. Now, I do remember when I read online that all of the gold pieces in this advent are 14 karat yellow gold. The silver advent, I'm not quite sure what that material is, so you might need to check that if you're interested in it. But the nice thing is that all of the jewelry items you're going to see in this advent, they are identical in that silver one. It's just that they are silver and not gold. So in every drawer, you do have the little baggies here. So next up in day number 2, we have a pair of earrings, and I think these are huggy earrings. So these ones are going to be crystal ear huggies. So this is what your huggy earring will look like here. Look at these amazing stones. These are all going to be crystals. So they're basically a gold hoop. And then you can see those different shapes on there. So again, you're getting that classic shape that she's known for. And then these are designed to be really tight to your ears. So they're going to be a huggy right below them. So they're just going to give you a little bit of bling. They're not going to be over the top or anything like that. So again, I'm going to hold up the name here. That way, if you're interested in these huggies, you guys can look them up. All of these jewelry items are available for sale on her website at an individual price point. I did read though that if you were to purchase all of these jewelry items individually, it would come out to $600 for it, versus you can buy the advent calendar for $325 and get all of them as a bundled set. So it is a little bit cheaper to do the advent calendar, but again, if you're only looking for like 1 or 2 pieces, maybe buying them individually would work better for you. They also have free gifts right now, I saw. So if you are interested, if you purchase like $100, they'll include free bonus gifts. So that's another option you could do too. So we're up to day number 3 now, and inside of this one, we have another necklace. This one is so cute. This is called Ari, and it is a rose quartz stone, and it's a heart pendant that we have here, you guys. So let me go ahead and take off all this packaging and we can take a look at it. But oh, it's adorable. Look at that. So this is a real rose quartz stone in the center, and then it's on a gold chain. Love it. And see what I mean about those prongs? So she uses those in her designs, and it's just one of the things that you notice about her jewelry is she incorporates those deliberately. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love hearts too. I know we're only 3 days in, but this is my favorite item so far. In day number 4, we have a bracelet inside of this baggie. So this one will again have our featured pendant and stone. If you notice though, this stone stands up quite a bit more than the previous ones. So this is also on a gold chain link bracelet, and it has an adjuster that you can do yourself. So it's not the lobster claw clasp where you need assistance to get it on. You can just pull this bar to tighten or loosen this. And so you can adjust it to any size that you need. And then at the end of it here, it's got a couple of bells on the tails. These are weighted as well. So the idea is to keep this flat so you can really see that pendant. So it's actually designed to offset the weight. It's genius, you guys. And to me, it's just another sign of better quality jewelry that they think about those little things. But you'll notice again, you've got that classic logo here on the reverse side. And then of course, this bar is also stamped with the Kendra Scott logo. You know, if you're wanting to regift these into multiple pieces to different people, this is one way you could do it without giving them like tags. You still know this is Kendra Scott because of all of the logos and details. The name on this one is called Elena. So this is the bracelet here. And look at that. And see, this is as snug as it will go on my wrist, but do you see how it's not flopping over? Like you're still seeing that pendant, even though it's a little bit heavier. It's because of these being weighted on the other end. Now you don't have to have it as tight if you don't want to. You could loosen that up, but it's still going to stay on top. Ooh, in day 5, we have a sparkly pendant. So this is also going to be a necklace that we have here. And this one has a really sparkly stone. So this is just cubic zirconia in here, but I mean, look at the way it catches the light, you guys. This chain is actually a little bit different than the other ones that we've seen on the other necklaces. So it's a little bit thicker and they've got a little bit of texture. Do you see like these little nodules that are on them? So they are a little bit different. They're not all the same pieces. On the reverse end here, it doesn't have an extender where it's the links. So it's still a lobster claw clasp, but you're gonna actually move this bead wherever you want it to, and then it's gonna connect to this. So once it's connected, all you have to do is slide this through the bead, and then you can make it whatever length you need it to be because it's attached to that bead there. Isn't that awesome? See, I'm telling you, at first glance, you're like, well, jewelry is jewelry, you know, like they're all the same, but really they're not. There are little things that make them a little bit better, a little bit more expensive and better quality as well. You can also feel the weight with these, that again, it's not just like your cheap thin jewelry. It's not gonna break if, you know, a baby grabs it or whatever. So this is the name on this necklace here. Next up in day 6, we have another pair of earrings. These are the Ari ones again. So these are the rose gold heart, or not rose gold. This is the rose quartz heart earrings. So these are gold Huggies earrings, and they have the rose quartz at the center. So these are going to have little pendants. Look at those. Are those not adorable? Oh my gosh, I love these. So if you have multiple, I love them. See, when you know, you guys. Like every once in a while, I just see it and I'm like, yeah, that's me. I love them. I love that you get these little hearts. And I would do this. I would take out this earring here and put this in and wear it along with my danglier earrings just to give you a little bit of, you know what I mean? A little bit of pizzazz. These are so stinking cute. If you want to know how to spell Ari, it's A-R-I. And these ones are going to be the heart huggy earrings. Now they may make other pieces in here, and who knows, maybe we'll get more in this advent. But so far, Ari is my favorite. Ooh, this looks fun. So in day number 7, we have a necklace here, but it has lots of little pendants on it. So let me go ahead and take this out of the baggie. They do a lot of packaging. There are a lot of little pieces in here. But this is your gold chain necklace, and then it has all of these different crystals on them here. So this is what it will look like. Isn't that gorgeous? So again, you could layer this with several different pieces. You could actually make this really tight as like a choker because it has the adjustable bead on here once again. So you could make this a little bit more snug, adjust it to where you need it to be and have it kind of like your choker, and then still wear the heart necklace down below. And that would give you more of like that V-neck. It would look so cute layered together. So this one is called, what did I do with the bag? There it is. So this one is called Amelia is the name of this necklace. And you'll see those different little pendants on this one. But I'm telling you, I see lots of possibilities with this jewelry. Honestly, you guys, I am so happy with this purchase right now. I don't think this advent calendar is going to be for everyone. Like I said, I knew for me, this was going to be my little treat, like my personal advent. And I'm really happy right now with this. Like, this makes me so happy. So in day number 8, we have the Courtney paperclip bracelet, I think. So it looks like little paper clips that have put this together. Oh my gosh, it is! Look at this. So delicate. So it's very simple. It's just a gold chain link bracelet, but they call it paper clips because they look like it. And then you can adjust this depending on where you want it to go. But again, I think the idea is to layer it. This one's not as exciting to me. It is a little bit more boring. I do think it's nice. It's not as cute though, let's be real. It's not as cute as the hearts. Ooh, now this one is a great combination of a couple of the necklaces that we've seen. So again, very lightweight. This necklace will have a small pendant, but you're also going to notice that it has little beads on the chain necklace as well. So this is what your pendant will look like here. So really small, really delicate. But then do you notice all of the different texture that's on here? So it's really cute. I like that they've kind of incorporated a little bit of different design here with these. So this is that pendant up close. And then, like I said, you're gonna have all of these different little beads on the necklace as well. This is cute. Same design though here where you can actually adjust these yourself. So it's just got that bead that you can slide the necklace straight through and then you can adjust it to a different length. This is the name here. This one's called the Mini Eliza necklace. So I'm assuming that means there's a larger Eliza. Ooh, these are chunky. So my next one is another pair of Huggy earrings, but these are a little bit chunkier, a little bit bigger. So this is what they will look like straight on, but do you see how they're They look like donuts. They're so much chunkier, you guys. They actually feel a little bit heavier too. You can tell these are weighted. These are called the Mickey Huggies. The next one that we have in day 11 is the Eliza necklace. This one though is a different colored stone. Ooh, this is a pink stone that we have here. Look at this, you guys. Is that not cute? So this is what it will look like here. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So pretty. So this one will be just your gold chain. The chain on here is very delicate, but it is a very simple chain link necklace. So it does have your classic extender as well with these different chain links, and then you can just adjust it here. Imagine pairing that with the heart necklace. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So this is the name on this necklace. We're up to our last day inside of this advent calendar, day 12 here. So we're gonna open up this baggie and see what's inside. I don't know the whole Kendra Scott journey, but I do know that she was on Shark Tank and she talked about how she started this out of her home and making jewelry in her garage. And now she's got this, you know, billion-dollar company. I mean, maybe it's not $1 billion, but you know, huge company now. And I do think it's really cool that she took such a simple idea of layering necklaces and just creating this whole phenomenon. I mean, honestly, it's such a simple idea that you're like, why didn't I think of that? Like layering necklaces, that's genius. You know what I mean? Like it's so simple, but yet she did it. So in day 12, we have the mini Ellie studded earrings. These are gold earrings that are studs, and you can see that same pendant that matches the necklace earlier, but this is what it will look like. That earring back is actually larger than the earring, you guys. So these are great, again, if you want to just have a complimentary piece, just a little bit there, this will give you a little bit of that look. So that is everything inside of the Kendra Scott Advent Calendar. Comment down below, you guys, let me know, what do you think of this Advent? I honestly think from a reviewing aspect, this calendar is not going to be for everyone. This is going to be for those that are enthusiasts, that really love this jewelry to begin with, that love the idea of layering necklaces, and that also want to invest in quality pieces that are not going to wear or tarnish over time. So I do feel like this is worth it in terms of the value if you're that person that you enjoy this kind of jewelry, and if you enjoy jewelry to begin with. If you're somebody that never wears jewelry, I know you're going to look at this and go, yeah, I would never spend $300 on this, and that's fine. So it's definitely going to be very specific for the certain person. For myself, I love this advent calendar, you guys. Like, I love everything about it. I love that I got all this new jewelry. Just the girly side of me is very happy right now. And it's like, oh, I got new jewelry. So I will say, if there's somebody out there in your life that wants a really good gift and they're a girly girl and they like jewelry, and maybe they already have some things of Kendra Scott, this might be a really good gift option, because had I gotten this as a gift from somebody else, I would be thrilled with this as a gift, but I treated myself to this one. So I'm still thrilled, but I'm just saying it might be a good gift option for some people out there. So that is everything for today's video, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what do you think, and we will chit chat about it. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next Advent unboxing video. Bye!